Welcome to this explainer. You know, the modern enterprise dilemma is actually pretty fascinating. It's all about deploying AI efficiently without massive capital misallocation across the Claude 5 family.
I mean, think about it. Are you using a Ferrari to buy groceries? It sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happens when we blindly default to our most expensive, powerful models for simple everyday tasks. It is an incredibly expensive misallocation of resources.
Instead of thinking of AI as just monolithic software, we really need to start treating it like a corporate hierarchy. Building your AI workforce comes down to this executive formula: model times effort times task times cost. Let's dive into the first tier of that hierarchy, Sonnet 5, the generalist. Think of Sonnet 5 as your strong generalist employee. It's built specifically for high-volume content, research, and your day-to-day coding tasks. It essentially closes the gap for everyday analysis, giving you seriously high quality per dollar.
And it's no slouch either, scoring an impressive 72.7% on SW Bench Verified, which is a massive jump, by the way. It is an absolute workhorse for content generation, standard code refactoring, and handling high-volume production traffic.
The business reality? It's just $2 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens. That aggressive pricing is exactly why this is your go-to volume tier.
Moving up the corporate ladder, we have Opus 5, the senior problem solver.
This is your senior architect. You bring Opus 5 in when a task requires self-verification. It's designed for ambiguous decisions, long-running agentic workflows, and really complex professional problem solving. It boasts a massive 1 million token context window, meaning it can ingest and reason through entire massive code bases. It's top-ranked for end-to-end task completion and advanced architecture decisions. Plus, it maintains an incredibly low misaligned behavior score of just 2.3, which is absolutely crucial when a wrong answer is expensive to unwind.
Now, with that capability comes a bump in price. $5 per million input tokens, $25 for output. But remember, here you are strategically investing in elite architectural oversight. You are paying for senior-level reasoning.
Finally, we reach the climax of the model lineup, Fable 5, the frontier specialist. This is Anthropic's new bleeding-edge top-tier model. Fable 5 is reserved for multi-hour autonomous agent runs, programmatic generation, and quite literally the highest value enterprise decisions your company makes.
Priced at $10 per million input and $50 for output, it is exactly double the cost of Opus. You deploy Fable 5 deliberately, only for work that truly earns its keep, and where peak intelligence is your only option.
Next up, a crucial differentiator for enterprise decision-makers: uneven safeguards and the AI security leaderboard.
Why do we even need top-tier models for security? Well, in high-stakes domains like cybersecurity or biological threats, malicious actors will always shop around for the weakest link. Enterprises simply demand zero failure tolerance and state-of-the-art safeguards.
When we look at the data from the FAR AI security leaderboard, it is staggering. Under universal jailbreak testing, Grok 4.5 yielded 63 random exploits, and Gemini 3.1 Pro yielded 18. Claude 5.5? Exactly 0. Flawless across the board.
To really put that into perspective, look at the literal cost of finding these vulnerabilities. While it took just $58 of compute to crack Grok and $278 for Gemini, it costs upwards of $14,200 to even attempt bypassing Fable 5's baseline. So how do we bring all this data together? Let's talk about the model-to-task matrix execution. This perfectly synthesizes your deployment strategy, mapping task complexity directly to the employee role. For everyday, high-volume tasks, you hire your generalist, Sonnet 5. For complex, ambiguous work, bring in your senior problem solver, Opus 5. And for those high-value, zero-failure tasks, you deploy your frontier specialist, Fable 5.
It creates a seamless pipeline to optimize both cost and intelligence. Step 1, start smaller with Sonnet for standard workflows. Step 2, escalate to Opus for the really hard reasoning. And Step 3, deploy Fable strictly for extremely valuable, high-risk work.
The days of monolithic AI are completely over. As you architect your ideal workforce, remember, the future isn't choosing one AI, it's choosing the right AI for the right task.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like the video, click like and subscribe for more exciting videos.